was totally not what I expected. You know, for a road car, which is basically what it is, to stick it out on a track in the wet, it was mind-blowing.
Great experience coming down today to drive the Biposto. I have a normal Abarth 595, so first time for me driving the 695. A bit more power, a bit more excitement. It's been a lot of fun.
It handles well and you know the track's fast, so I mean I love it. It was such good fun.
It is that type of car that you can get very confident very quickly. Brakes are amazing. Just a couple of dabs, it's full on. Loved it, really loved it.
I think this car is all about the kind of excitement. You can feel as soon as you get in it, it wants to go, it wants to let you have fun. You've got 190 horsepower in something that weighs under a ton. It's awesome.
The feedback has been fantastic. The people absolutely love the car and the events work very well.
You know what? It's so smooth. It's really good fun. I wasn't expecting it to be so good.
They're best tried on the race circuit, and you know the 695 Biposto in particular is designed to be driven on the circuit, so it would seem wrong to just test it on the road.
But to actually come here and be a part of a track day, absolutely amazing idea. Can't fault it.